Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone guys do not disturb mode guys. How can we disable it? Friends, you want to disable guys your Infinix phone guys do not disturb mode. So how can disable today friends? I will show you. I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, now let's see how can we disable guys Infinix phone guys do not disturb mode setting guys. So first of all guys you will have to on guys your phone setting. After on phone setting, I will click on guys search bar here guys. Direct guys do not disturb guys. Do not disturb guys. You can see guys tap on do not disturb, and friends you can see direct guys. We can disable do not disturb from here. After disable guys, you can see guys do not disturb will disable and get do not disturb mode icon will remove on your screen. So like that guys we can disable guys do not disturb mode. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to disable do not disturb mode. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Bye guys.